how to post a bank overpayment in Xero. So this can happen sometimes. Maybe someone pays an invoice twice by accident, or just pays an amount more than the invoice and more than we were expecting. And this can be for money spent at our end or money received. It works the same. So in this example, someone spent £450 received, and they maybe did double pay an invoice, so we're not expecting that to come in. So to make that as an overpayment, we hit the match tab. Now let's say they had part paid the invoice and just overpaid by an amount. Let's say this £250 was part of it and they'd overpaid 250. We can absolutely tick that and then make an overpayment on top of that, which again is quite common. In this example though, the entire thing is an overpayment. So to do that, we hit this new transaction section and then hit, in this example, receive money. We've then got, it's not a direct payment, it is an overpayment. And what that does is it changes this account by default. So it sits on our ledger as an overpayment. Reference, I'll just put overpayment for now, but we might have some more detail there. And then that's that. We don't need to change any of that. That will sit on the ledger, and I hit save transaction. That now goes green and I can reconcile.